want to show you one of the smaller things that's also be quite prevalent after the rains. So sort of put up a bit of a fight. There's a millipede. Ooh, let's keep it back on the leaf. See what it's doing there, that sort of snaking behavior. What they do, especially the smaller kinds of millipedes, if something disturbs them, they wriggle around like that, essentially mimicking a little snake. So if a predator was trying to grab it, it might just get a fright from that movement and decide not to eat it. Of course, not many animals will actually eat millipedes. They build up a toxin, not a toxin, a poison in their body, similar to some kind of sort of cyanide. So if you were to eat this millipede as a human, it would taste incredibly bad, foul tasting, but also if you eat enough of them, it'll make you sick. So you can imagine if you're a small animal, like let's say those mongooses we looked at earlier, then you won't cope with that too much. It'll upset your stomach very badly. So not that many animals eat them. You get a couple of animals that specialize in them. A civet, which is a kind of mongoose, very large mongoose. You can compare it to a raccoon in some ways. They eat lots of millipedes, but they have evolved and adapted over time to be able to eat these guys. Now the name millipede obviously refers to 1,000 legs, and they don't really have 1,000 legs, typically between 200 and 500 legs, depending on what species. You've got lots of different kinds of millipedes. Quite amazing the way they walk. Look at those sort of wave patterns you get from the legs as they're walking along. That's probably going to make a bit of a fuss. See, there's doing a snaking behavior again. Make sure we don't drop it. There you go. Millipede, also known as shongololos. Put this one back in the ground, on the ground, shall I say. Get some big ones while we get some out here that'll be up to that long, sort of the thickness of a big cigar.